Meanwhile, some 12,000 residents from the town of Rodriguez in Rizal province sought shelter in evacuation centers this week when torrential rains from the confluence of consecutive tropical storms and the southwest monsoon drenched their communities and disrupted their lives. With the flood waters having receded, many have returned home but still fear the odds of coming back for refuge with the specter of more rains looming over the weekend. Our J.M. Pineda has more.
It was around noon of Monday when Nanay Mary Ann and her family were forced to evacuate due to rising floodwaters in Barangay Burgos, Rodriguez, Rizal. According to her, floodwaters reached waist deep, threatening the safety of her grandchildren. Up to now, they remain in the evacuation center because they fear that continued rains could bring another flood in their area.
Hanggang baywang na po. Tapos nga po, hindi pa kami bumababa kasi nga alam namin may bagyo pa sa lugar namin na yun. Ang gusto ko sana po mangyari para hindi naman po kami lumilikas sa aming lugar, maayos na po yung aming katayuan doon. Katulad ng creek, kailangan po maayos na po yun.
Nanay Mary Ann is just one of the many evacuees currently staying at Burgos Elementary School. Many of them are from low-lying areas hit by the southwest monsoon and recent weather disturbances. Residents have begun cleaning their homes after the flood subsided, but some had fear if flood will come back. According to the Rodriguez LGU, 8 out of the 11 barangays were affected by flooding. The overflowing of Upper Wawa Dam caused nearby rivers to swell, prompting the evacuation of over 2,000 families or nearly 12,000 individuals. But now, that number has gone down as some families have begun to return home.
So kayo, mababa na ang nasa evacuation center natin. Nasa 1,600 plus na lang. Nagki-clearing pa kasi, nagki-clearing operation tayo. Starting kahapon, nagpahako na tayo ng mga basura, hindi pa masyadong matulugan.
As of latest monitoring, water level in Upper Wawa Dam is at 335.46 and it is still slightly overflowing but no longer threatening residential areas. Floodwaters also subsided but officials remain on high alert.
So far, hindi. Sabihin na nakakaya pa yung normal na flow niya na nakakaya pa. Hindi naman tumaas yung level natin dito sa baba ng tubig. Iyon, that's why we are closely monitoring yung water level at yung bagyo. No? Kasi yung bagyo, ang kakibat nito is yung tubig ng habagat. Ulan ng habagat ang nagpapatindi ng water level natin. Ngayon, umuulan pa rin.
The LGU and DSWD also continued relief operation, providing food packs and aid and residents who chose to remain in their homes. Meanwhile, the body of senior citizen who went missing during the storm has been recovered in nearby river in San Mateo.
Ano yan nakasakay siya ng yung kolong-kolong, yung tricycle. And then, ang Puray is mountain barangay, mataas yan. So, hindi siya babahain. Kaya yung along yung sa daan, malakas ang tubig. So, bumaba yung mga driver at saka yung ibang kasamahan. Siya hindi nakababa kasi nasa loob siya ng kolong-kolong. So, swept, tinangay ng tubig.
J.M. Pineda from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.